Hello everybody, my name is Brian and I am here in historic Old Town Roseville. I am in front of a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,450 square foot historic home built in 1910, actually built in Rockland originally, then moved over to Roseville in 1940. And we have purchased this home and we are going to be doing a series of how-to projects, fixing up the home, adding an addition onto the back, quite a few things. So I'm going to take you on a tour here. A few months ago, I posted a kind of a cryptic message on my Facebook page for all my friends to see. And I said, hey, I've got a project coming to Roseville and I'm looking for people who are contractors, tradesmen, people that want to volunteer, help out with an exciting project. And I'm going to outline it here today. I'm going to do a full walk around to the outside of the property, point out some of the things that we're going to want to do. It might be a long video. I might have to chop it up into some pieces, but starting out here at the entrance, we've got a little bit of cement work to do. This lavender here is dying and is full of bees, so that's going to go. Get that stuff pulled out, put some succulents. This lawn is just literally all weeds, so it's going to need to get torched and put some new seed in here. I was thinking about maybe doing some putting greens or something out here. That might look cheesy, I'm not sure, but just some ideas. Here's 2 sides of the walkway. Here is planter here with a slow drip irrigation system in it. We'll start over here on the shady side of the house. There's a big nice patio here. Needs to be power washed. The previous owner built a nice fence along here. He even did some nice detail work on the side of this tree here. Goes up pretty high. You can see the neighbor's place over there. The lot's about 7,500 square feet and the house is around 1,450 square feet. Some clean up on the edges. Oh, there's a squirrel right there making noise. Like a Mark Rober video. Eaves needing a little cleaning up. Gutters, make sure those are clean. There's some rust and some flashing up on the roof that needs to be done. Roof's got about maybe 5-7 years left in it. Not too bad a shape, but when we get up there safely with some harnesses, we'll figure out what more needs to be done to it. There's the walkway along here. This planter's got some weeds growing in it. It's got weed barrier and the black backing down here. There's a slow drip system that has a slow drip in one of the valves, so that's going to need to be fixed up. There's the sprinkler timer. Coming back here, this was a cement area that held the firewood for the wood burning stove inside that we're going to take out. We're thinking maybe a hot tub or something here that's down the road, but here's some extra gutter pieces for the garage that's back here. It's a long rectangular shaped lot. And you go to the back of the house here. There's an old deck. It's in pretty good shape. Just needs to be maybe sanded and cleaned up and refinished. Some kind of lacquer to protect it. And this awning over here doesn't quite go far enough. As you'll see right there, water comes straight down and eats away at this. So we're gonna put some longer, we need to sand this and repaint it. Little TLC, there's some nice raised planters, lots of weeds back here. The St. Augustine grass that I think I can salvage a lot of. Pull this old chain link fence off the side here. It looks very dated. There's a dividing wall back here to a parking area. This is supposed to be for an RV. This is kind of up high down here. There's a retaining wall off on the side. There's an electrical drop here where we could, eventually the idea is to turn this garage into a 1,000 square foot ADU, which stands for accessorial dwelling unit, or planters along here. On the back side of the house, a laundry room in there. Nice deck down here. Pretty good size 4-car garage. Fluorescent lights that buzz. There's a wood burning stove over here in the corner. It's literally enough space to fit a car here and a car there. So the idea is cut it about here, make this a garage. Then up top, do a 2nd story. There's a crack going through here. I don't know how much of this slab or existing foundation can be used from this garage. Might need some extra footers on the outside. These are questions for structural engineers in the city and people out there that might know. There's a little bit of a white film on the, I forgot the term for that, on the edge of the concrete, which means some water has come through there. There's a drain going to the outside there. There's plumbing over here. I don't think it connects to the sewer though. It was never hooked up, it's just capped. And here there's a basement down there. We need to get a new lock door for that. Basement door. This is the vent for the laundry room. Big fig tree here that makes a lot of mess, but it creates a lot of nice shade. There's a crawl space in there, which we'll get into later. Nice outdoor deck here, and new French doors that the previous owner put in or had put in. There's the crawl space ventilation for the foundation. There's no cripple wall, it's just a crawl space down underneath there. So it's pretty tight, but it's workable. And then back around to the front to the bay window. So this is gonna be quite a project, but just one at a time we can get through these. We'll make how-to videos, watch me fail, watch me succeed, get help from everybody, and make this place really, really nice.